In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can insert multiple row and multiple columns in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Here you can see some data. First of all, we are going with columns. Suppose you want to insert column in Microsoft Excel, you can do it with this, selecting any column and then right click of your mouse, and here is an option which is insert. You can do it easily. But if you want to insert multiple column, you just need to do one trick, which is let's redo it. Now if you want to insert, suppose 4 columns before this column, so we are selecting 4 column. This is second, 3, 4, this is our total 4 column, and then you can go to right click and insert. Look, there is a 4 column inserted before you selecting column. In the same way you can do it for the rows. Suppose we want to insert 5 rows. Suppose doing this is, we are selecting 5 rows and insert, click insert. Now you can see that there appear 5 rows. This is how easily you can insert multiple rows and multiple columns in Microsoft Excel. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.